Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mova for class 6 English. We have finished till activity 3 in our previous lecture. Today we are going to start our activity 4. Do you know this chapter? Reuse, reduce and recycle. In this activity 4, you have need some stories and activities about reusing many things to make something new, but you can also think of many ways to use one thing, old one thing. We have also prepared list of our discarding means wasting things, and also you can also think of many ways to use one thing. This idea is often used on blogs on the internet. People think of as many ways to use one thing as they can and post the many uses on a blog to give other people good ideas for using a common thing. For example, here is a list of 13 ways to use a common paper clip. You find out in internet also that old jeans that boys and girls wearing, no, jeans pant, we further use means waste में से best we used for preparing socks, then preparing bags, cling blanks है ना, bags for this jeans pant. As per here they given pins and they mention 13 ways to use a common paper clip. Here they mention colorful clip. Look here, colorful clip. Okay, so here they given colorful pins. I saw also. Poke tiny holes, clean fingernails, hang small ornaments, unclog glue bottle, use as emergency pin to hold them, substitute for a twist, tie a close a plastic bag, clean the little rollers in your computer mouse, use as substitute toothpick, use as inexpensive earring, push a reset button on many devices, made necklace or bracelet with many hooked together, one by one pin, tie up and prepare a bracelet or a necklace. Girls also prepared, no? Okay, their hobby. Use as keychain, hold papers together. So as per 13 ways, think of one more use for a paper clip. Make sure use is not already on the list. So as per that question, we write as a hairpin in cash, to paint nails, to clean clogging in the holes of the gas burner, to pin a badge on a shirt, coat or sari. 4 uses we have to mention. Next, share your use with your classmates. Did anyone think of the same use you did? But in this situation, we can't clarify. We identify. So, we have to write any name, your choice. Okay. Here I mention Karnika thought a different use. Next, who thought of the most unusual use? So, no one. What I thought was not thought by anybody else. So, activity 4 I mention here. For that uses name I write here, write your choices name. And now we go as per activity 5. Circle the quote you think is most interesting. Then ask your classmates which one they think is most interesting. Record the number on the chart. One man's stress is another man's stressor. So how many? Here they in below they given. Number of students who choose, each saying 20 students. What Waste not, want not, 8. Garbage in, garbage out, 12. Okay. How many students choose the same saying you did? Did you like the most popular saying or one of the less popular ones? So, only 7 more students choose the same saying as I did. I liked one of the less popular sayings. What do you think is the meaning of your favorite saying? I choose waste not, want not. This is a hard fact all over the globe. Our wants are so many that they cannot be satisfied with what we get. We exploit all natural and man-made resources to meet our wants, but still they remain unfulfilled. The only way left with us is to stop wastage. If we don't waste, we will need less things, or in other words, we can listen our wants. Therefore, stop wastage and decrease your wants. We more and more use wastage things in another way. So this saying I like, which one? Our wants but still not with what we get. Okay, waste not, want not. Find one students who choose the same saying but wrote a different meaning that you think in interesting. Write your classmates meaning. But in this situation we can't, but I give these answers. One of my classmates, write your choice name. Okay, choices name. Choose the same saying as I did. He says that since our wants are more, the wastage is more. So if we decrease our wants, automatically wastage will be less. Our needy, our wants, we have to less. Okay. Make up a saying about trash or recycling or reusing things or another related idea of your own and print it nicely on the banner below. Here the giver we have to write, we do not inherit the earth from ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Okay, this banner you have to write down. Read the quotes of your classmates. Whose saying do you like best? So, when you refuse to reuse, it's the earth you abuse. Many sayings we can write. Don't litter, it makes the world better. Recycle today for a better tomorrow. Waste it once, pay for it twice. Recycle each and every day instead of throwing paper and plastic away. Don't use plastic bags. Instead of use paper bags. Recycle your trash or trash the earth. It's easy being green, reduce, reuse, recycle. When there is doubt, don't throw it out. Don't trash our future, recycle it. Okay? Just think before you bin it, there could be some use in it. Don't throw into the dustbin, but it reuse. Okay? I like the second one best. Don't litter, it makes the world better. I like it best, the best. It has the message that if we want to make our dwelling place planet clean and pollution free, we should try by all means not to litter it. The world better. Okay, I given its PDF with that activities and write down in your notebook. Okay, thank you.